How to update iPhone to iOS 16. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to General as shown. From here, you can manage your overall setup and preferences for iPhone, such as software updates, device language, CarPlay, AirDrop, and more. Then, go to Software Update. You can view the available software downloads over here. As you can see, your phone is already up to date. If not, then tap on Update Now if you want to update the software. You can also go to Automatic Updates at the top. You can turn on the iOS Updates feature if you want to automatically install iOS software updates. Following these steps, you can easily update iPhone to iOS 16. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.